choreographed by Pierre, Madge, Falk, Anette Holtet, and Tove Richvoldsen. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 3 after the first 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, and then we're going to go around and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn cross the line. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step forward, right, step forward, left. We're now going to do a right syncopated rocking chair. You're going to rock forward with your right, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right, recover forward onto your left. You're now going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now at 9 o'clock, and we're going to end this section by doing a syncopated quarter turning jazz box. So we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to quickly make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Step your right foot to the side, and then you're going to quickly step your left foot slightly forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot. You're doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Section 2, you're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you cross your left over your right. You're now at 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a quarter chasse that's going to turn over our left shoulder. So you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. You're now at about 7:30. You're going to step your left foot next to your right, and you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a left sailor step, crossing your left behind your right. Step your right foot out, step your left foot out to the side. We're now going to do a behind side forward, crossing our right behind our left. Step your left foot to the side, and then step your right foot forward. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our jazz box quarter turn. Weights on your left. You're doing your step and quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 walks forward, step forward left, step forward right. You're now going to do a left mambo step forward, rocking forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, step back with your left foot. We're now going to do a half toe strut hip bump. So we're going to gradually make a half turn. You're going to start by making a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you touch your right toe to the right side, and you're going to bump your hip, finishing your half turn, making another quarter turn, bump and step. You're now at 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a quarter turning toe strut over our right shoulder. You're going to take your left toe, touch it to the left side, touch and sit, and your weight is on your left foot, and you're facing 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped forward with our right foot. Facing 6 o'clock, you're going to do your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to rock our right foot behind our left, recover onto our left, and step our right foot to the right side. We're now going to weave left behind, right side, left cross. We're now going to do a full walk around with a run. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. You're now at about 6 o'clock. You're going to make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. You're now at about 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a half run around. We're going to run right, left, to face 3 o'clock to start the next wall. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your rock back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. On that and step, you want to make sure that you're directly at the wall to start that walk forward. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, syncopated, rocking chair, step, quarter, pivot, quarter turning jazz box with a step. Now you're going step, quarter, cross, turning, quarter chasse, left sailor step, behind side forward. Walk, walk, mambo step, half toe strut, bump, quarter toe strut, bump, rock, back, recover, side, weave behind, side, cross, quarter, walk, half, run, 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 run. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. When you're doing that walk, walk, run, 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 you want it to make a slight arc on the floor. So you want it to slightly curve to come back to that wall. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 3, so we'll be facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do the first 8 counts of the dance, which is all the way through your jazz box quarter turn, and then you're going to restart the dance facing 6 o'clock, and that will become wall 4. So let's dance the first 8 counts to the back wall, and we'll practice that restart. Weight is on your left, you're doing your walk. Walk, walk, rocking chair, step, quarter, pivot, cross, quarter, side, forward, start over, walk, walk, rocking chair, step, quarter, pivot, cross, quarter, side, forward. And then you would keep dancing it all the way through. After that, you have no other worries. There's no other tags or restarts, and the dance will end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice all of the walls as well as the transition from the restart into the next wall. Weight's going to start on your left foot. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. You're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, rocking chair, step, quarter, pivot, jazz box, quarter, turn. Step, quarter, cross, quarter, chasse, side, sailor, step, behind, side, forward. Walk, walk, mambo, step, half toe strut bump, quarter toe strut bump. Now your rock, back, side, weave, behind, side, cross, quarter, walk, half, run, 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 walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 8 counts. Walk, walk, rocking chair, step, quarter, pivot, quarter, jazz box, step, start over, walk, walk, rocking chair, step, quarter, pivot, cross, quarter, side, forward, step, quarter, cross, quarter, chasse to the side, sailor, step, behind, side, forward, walk, walk, mambo, step, half toe strut, quarter toe strut, rock, back, side, behind, side, cross, quarter, walk, walk, half, run, 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 walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and that is the whole dance. I hope this helped you learn cross the line. Now that you have practiced with the tutorial, you can scroll to the end of this video and practice with the rear facing demo so you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn cross the line. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
All it takes is a downtown